Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add coupon on WooCommerce. So without further ado, let's start. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins. From Plugins, tap on Add New. Next, search for WooCommerce and then tap on Install. And then go to Installed Plugins. After that, go to Coupons. After that, just click on Add New Coupon. You can now edit your coupon details. For example, the coupon code. You can also add a description if you want. Just fill in the necessary information about your coupon. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.